How do I fix a rejected return? Hello everybody, if you're having that on TurboTax, you may follow up this method. So open up the email or the mail where you have received the rejected return of the TurboTax mail and open it up. Once you open it up, you will be directly redirected to the TurboTax screen with these options. So from the given options, what you can do is if you have been rejected, you should be finding an option called fix my rejected return. Go ahead and tap on that option. Click on it. And once you click on it, you will be taken to another page. So in order to fix that, you can easily find a fix it now button. You may go ahead and click on it. And then after clicking on it, here you will be finding everything. You may try entering your 2024 AGI code or 2025 and go ahead and enter it up here. And once that is done, you may tap on continue with e-filing. So here you need to go on with the process of e-filing. So continue with it. And after that is done, here it will show you your adjusted gross income. You may go ahead and review it, and after that click on this is my adjusted gross income. And once that is done, here it will show you steps and how they will refile your returns. Just go ahead and read it if you want and continue with the process. After that, here they recommend you to e-filing because it is very quick and easy. Just follow the on-screen instructions to click on I want to e-file. That should help you fix your rejected return. So that's it for now. You may follow up this method. I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next video.